Behold the scale of ambition, silver ore unearthed from vast open pit mines. Giant machines begin the journey unearthing silver-bearing ore from the vast open pit. From the mines, raw silver ore begins its journey to transformation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. The raw silver ore arrives, marking the beginning of its transformation. Carefully extracted, the ore embarks on its journey through the processing facility. Skilled hands and advanced machinery guide the ore to its first stage of refinement. Giant crushers begin the meticulous process of transforming raw ore into usable material. The initial crushing phase yields smaller, more manageable rocks ready for further processing. The crushing bay is a testament to industrial might and careful engineering. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Raw ore begins its transformation, moving into powerful grinding mills. Enormous ball mills, powered by steel, pulverize the rock into a fine powder. Skilled operators meticulously monitor every stage of this powerful process. The finely ground ore is now perfectly prepared for silver extraction. Here, fine silver ore powder is mixed with water and specialized chemicals, forming a vital slurry. Large agitators carefully blend the mixture, creating a uniform, consistent silver ore slurry. Air bubbles selectively attach to the precious silver particles. Skilled American workers carefully collect the concentrated silver froth. Advanced machinery precisely controls the airflow and slurry levels. This vital process ensures a high recovery rate of pure silver. Each step is carefully managed for quality and consistency. Skilled technicians meticulously prepare for the extraction process, ensuring safety and precision. Constant monitoring is crucial, with data carefully analyzed to optimize silver dissolution. The silver-rich solution is carefully collected, moving towards further refinement stages. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Samples are analyzed in a controlled lab, verifying the silver concentration before the next phase. Under vigilant supervision, the leaching process transforms raw ore into a valuable silver-rich solution. Precision is key as experts meticulously sample the silver-rich concentrate. The journey to purity begins as silver concentrate enters the smelting furnace.
Increasing circulation by 5%.
Inside, immense heat melts the material, separating silver from base metals. The molten silver glows brilliantly, ready for the next stage of purification. Molten silver is tapped, flowing like liquid fire from the furnace. The silver solidifies, taking the first solid form of its pure state. Further refining processes will achieve the highest levels of silver purity. Base metals are meticulously tapped off, leaving behind a richer silver concentration. The high temperatures reveal doré silver, a precious semi-pure alloy. These doré silver ingots are now ready for the final refining stages. Carefully, the doré silver anodes are positioned for the critical electrolytic refining process. Inside
Circulating
vast
on cell 4,
electrolytic
the
cells,
voltage is
impurities are
slightly
removed,
fluctuating.
yielding
I
silver
see
of
that.
exceptional
It's
purity.
still within tolerance, but we should monitor the flow rate.
This intricate electrolytic process separates silver from impurities, ensuring its exceptional purity. Electrolysis refines silver to unmatched purity, separating it from remaining impurities. Pure silver crystals emerge, slowly accumulating on the cathodes. The cathodes become encrusted with a growing layer of pure silver. The cathodes are now densely covered in pure refined silver crystals. The pure silver, now detached from impurities, is ready for its next stage. Pure silver cathodes are carefully loaded, initiating the crucial melting phase. Our expert technician oversees the complex process, ensuring flawless execution. Precision is paramount. Every degree is meticulously checked and confirmed. The pure silver is now perfectly molten, prepared for its final transformation. Precision casting transforms pure silver into flawless ingots. The automated arm begins its flawless controlled pour. Human expertise ensures every ingot meets exacting standards. The silver cools, beginning its transformation into solid form. Rows of fresh, glowing silver ingots embody purity and value. Each perfect ingot is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. Pure molten silver transforms, solidifying into dense, valuable ingots. With precision, an artisan carefully extracts the hot ingots from their molds. Each ingot is carefully placed, ensuring proper cooling on dedicated racks. In the quality control lab, precision ensures every silver bar meets the highest standards. With steady hands, an expert selects a bar for thorough examination. Precision is paramount in ensuring the highest purity of silver. Advanced technology meticulously scrutinizes the silver's composition. The meticulous assay process guarantees exceptional purity for global standards. With verified purity, the silver is ready for its next stage. Precision weighing ensures the integrity of every silver ingot. Every weight is meticulously recorded, ensuring complete traceability. This final verification ensures every ingot meets the highest standards. Precision stamping ensures each silver bar meets rigorous quality standards. With immense force, the mark of authenticity is etched forever. Skilled operators meticulously verify each mark for perfection. In high-security vaults, pure silver is meticulously stored, a testament to its enduring value. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Each bar represents immense value, safeguarded with meticulous precision. Every bar is rigorously assayed and marked, guaranteeing its authenticity and purity.